If I told you that in 2026 you don't need a degree, a big investment, or even years of experience to start making money online? In fact, many people are earning hundreds of dollars every month using just a laptop, an internet connection, and AI. So in this video, I'll show you 6 realistic ways to earn money online in 2026. Stay until the end because I'll also reveal the one mistake that keeps most people from making their first dollar online. 1. AI freelancing. The fastest way to earn online is by offering services. Businesses need blog posts, social media content, video editing, thumbnails, presentations, and much more. With AI tools, you can complete these tasks much faster. It's helping clients solve problems quickly and professionally. 2. YouTube automation. You don't have to show your face to succeed on YouTube anymore. Today, creators use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, edit videos, and design thumbnails. If you choose topics people are searching for, like AI, finance, technology, or self-improvement, one good video can keep earning money through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships for months or even years. 3. Sell digital products. This is one of the smartest online businesses in 2026. Create something once and sell it again and again. You can sell ebooks, Canva templates, AI prompt packs, study notes, or digital guides. There's no inventory, no shipping, and almost no ongoing costs. Once your product is live, it can generate passive income while you focus on creating more. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or software that people already need. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. You can share these links in YouTube videos, blogs, social media posts, or even email newsletters. The more trust you build with your audience, the more successful affiliate marketing becomes. 5. Start an AI content agency. Small businesses need content every single day. They need Instagram posts, Facebook ads, email campaigns, product descriptions, and website copy. Instead of doing everything manually, you can use AI to create high-quality content much faster. Many businesses are happy to pay a monthly fee if you consistently help them grow online. 6. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell products without keeping any inventory. You create a design for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or phone cases, and when someone places an order, a print-on-demand company handles the printing and shipping for you. AI can even help you create unique designs in minutes. The biggest mistake. Here's why most people never make money online. They keep jumping from one idea to another. They try freelancing for a week, then switch to YouTube, then crypto, then dropshipping. Pick one method, stay consistent for at least 90 days, improve your skills every week, and you'll have a much better chance of succeeding. Making money online in 2026 isn't about finding a secret website. It's about learning valuable skills, using AI to work smarter, and staying consistent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on AI, online business, and passive income. Comment below, which online income method are you going to try first in 2026? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.